Welcome to Kitty for Crafts. I am just getting off work, so I'm not going to stay on here long. I just wanted to, I got some stuff from Temu, and I'm a Temu package, and I want to, Temu package, um, go through some stuff. I want you guys to, my son got me to like look on there, and there's some cool stuff on there, I'm not going to lie. But one of the funny things is, I got me a little mini cutter. There we go, mini cutter. Turn that light down. There we go. Yay, mini cutter. I got it because they always want to open my packages up when it has nothing to do with them. So I want to make sure I got my own cutter. And then I got something for a thank you for the mail lady. One of those stickers. And I got I have a Nintendo Switch, and so I got a case for it. Yeah. And then I got these two diamond paintings because my son's been buying those for me, as you know. And I went ahead and looked on here and got a couple. Uh, and then, is that all I got? Yeah, that's all I got. So I want to hit on something that Diamond Grandma rather, posted the other day. She normally does like 10-minute videos, right? But the other day she was irritated because someone put something on her Facebook page, her Diamond Grandma Facebook page, about budget-friendly companies. Here's the thing. I buy from everybody. DAC, Diamond Dots, other companies that are new, um, just starting off. I buy from Amazon a lot of the time. So like most of the things that you'll see me buy are from Amazon. Like the Last Supper was from Amazon. Um, and I went down this Temu rabbit hole. Now, that's not a lot. You can get on here and find all kinds of stuff. It's a rabbit hole. Here's the deal. As I've told y'all before, my husband is a artist himself, so I believe in artists getting paid, but I also believe in public domain. We all know that The Last Supper by Da Vinci is a public domain item, right? We know that the pictures of Christ himself are public domain. Um, we also know that Pisces by Dakota Datweiler is not public domain, right? So all I ask is that you investigate before you buy. That's all I'm asking. Um, the two things I bought, I can tell you right now, are either John Doe sitting in an office did it and they put it on, at the company wherever this was made at, or um, it's public domain. They just reprinted it. I mean, I don't know. It's nothing that I know a artist did. Um, just investigate, people. But I don't know everybody's business, right? And I don't know where you are financially. That being said, you buy where you buy. If you buy from Hobby Lobby, you buy from Michael's, which is Makers Market. I think that's right. Don't quote me on that. If you buy from Joann's, if you buy from Walmart, I mean, nowadays it's endless where you can buy diamond paintings from. But I just say if you buy it in a box store, then you're going to know that it is licensed artwork. If you happen to buy this from a budget friendly company, the picture, just make sure that it looks like it's a public domain picture. There are a lot of companies out there that do AI generated. I'm I'm not here nor there with AI. I think a lot of companies will tell you that they have used AI or that they've enhanced it with AI. Like I know on DAC, they will tell you if it's enhanced with AI. Diamond, there's another company I've used and I've actually unboxed them on here. They will tell you that this was AI generated, like the whole thing is. You can tell. But I say to you, you do you, buy what you buy, just be mindful of what you buy. And that being said, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Facebook page for Kitty for Crafts. Here's the deal. I'm just as bad as Diamond Grandma. Don't be putting nothing negative on there. If you want to do all that, you keep that to yourself. Um, but in all the comments, do you? But I just don't entertain crazy. I ain't got time. So, just be mindful, be thoughtful, be kind. Um, you know, everyone's on here just doing something. I do this more as a log. and a blog, and as I told y'all last week, free therapy. Um, but just know that I don't do social media like that. So what I do, because I do have my own personal Facebook page, I get on there once a week, and I scroll, and then I'm done. I don't linger on there. I don't do a lot of that. And it's not because I don't want to. It's just because I don't. I check on some of my friends from high school because I still talk to a lot of those guys, and see what they up to for the week. Check out their kids. They check out my kids. Um, my friends from Florida, I catch them on there. Um, you know, I'll tell like one of my friends, Cindy, I was like, hey, check this on Facebook. Or she'll send me a text and go, hey, look on Facebook real quick. That's what she'll do. So if I need to check it in the middle of the week, that's what I do. Um, you are more than welcome to get on there, look, do whatever. Is it on right now? No, it is not. It probably won't be turned on until this weekend. Because again, this is a weekday thing. I normally film on the weekends. I post on the weekends. So I just want to get this on here so I can put these up. So I'm just giving it to you quick. But like I said, I just got off work. So I just wanted to put these out. That being said, I normally do everything on the weekends. Okay, because I work Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 job. Well, 8 to 4 job. But I don't, I didn't want to let these linger and sit too long, only because I want to put them in their right spot in the room. So that being said, let's do these two little things. I showed you my little box cutter, which I think is so cute. Isn't that cute? It's just the cutest little thing. Just a cute little thing. Anyway, and then we'll open these two things up and we'll look at them and go from there. Okay, so the first one is one of my landscapes. Oh, okay. That's how you're going to do that. Okay. So it's a landscape. Landscape. I know it's because I know what I bought. It's a landscape. Okay, it is in the gravy train. It comes with your bougie on a budget, as Diamond Grandma will tell you. These are just cute. I put them in a box. This is a landscape. It is a gravy train 30 by 40 round. Okay. Okay. So colors. Normally when I do an unboxing for like a DAC or Art Dot or whatever, I'll usually go through all the colors. I'm not going to really kind of do all that. I am going to open it so that you can see, and I can see sorry about this racket. You know how much I hate this. There we go. It came in some little baggies. Those just fell out. Oh, I see what they did. Okay, well, we're going to put the baggies. These are teeny baggies. Look at how small these little baggies are. These are teeny tiny baggies. We're going to put these in the thing, and I'll pass those along because I don't, one, they small, but two, I don't do baggies like that. Okay, so it came with, let's see, okay, a legend on both sides. So legend number 1, let me put this down just a hair. There we go. Legend number 1, legend number 2, 30 by 40. That is the actual canvas size. We know that it's not a 30 by 40, just looking at that. But you can see that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's look at the stickiness. Oh, well, we know it's sticky because it went right back. So that's good. Drill filled. Nice and clean. Yeah. Let's see. Looks like numbers and letters. Numbers and letters, no symbols. Yeah. So let's see here. Let me do this real quick. As you can hear, my toolbox open up. I should have did this before. Sorry about that noise. That's the size baggies I use if I use baggies. Okay, so let's see if I measure this real quickly. Centimeter wise, it says 30 by 40. So if we do actual canvas to canvas size, maybe, there we go. Canvas to canvas size, flatten that out. It is a 40. And so this would then be 30. So this is 30 by 40. So this what kind of word? The diamond, the actual paint size then is, so the actual canvas size is, let me put that pretty tight, 34 long, and the width is 24. Okay, so that's what we're working with there, to be honest. Okay, so it came with this. There's the picture of it. There you go. Nice, huh? Pretty. I don't know if it's going to pop like that. It's a smaller canvas, but we'll see. But it tells you all the stuff that you need to know on it. And, you know, for my book, I can pull this out. On that app that I've been using, I can take a pic. So that's going to be nice. I can take this in my Zyra and make stickers out of it. So that's great. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like... And it tells you how many packages you got. So they've got 21 colors, and this green has, oh nope, I'm a lie, it's a blue, looks like has the most. Oh, is that a brown? I can't tell. I'm a lie, it's a brown at 8 colors, and that number is 898. It's a brown. So there you go. There goes the alarm. There goes the alarm, the clock. So there we go. So there's that. My son's going to come in the front door just so that you can hear him, so that you know that he's coming in the front door. But there is that. All right. So I'm gonna put that up. We're done with that. Yeah. Okay. Looks like that's an awfully big package. Is that how big it was? I don't think that's how big it was, y'all. Let me fold this up or something, because I don't feel like that was right. All right. My son just walked in the door, and the dogs, so if you hear anything, it's them crazy dogs saying hi to him. All right, so we're going to squish that up. So 21 colors, nice canvas, but we also know that that was that. So we're going to fold it back up slightly. I don't think I folded that right, so that's what we're going to do. Okay. Down below, tell me how you guys store your canvases. Because one of the things about me is that I've been storing them like this in the packages, and I've been putting them on the shelf. My problem is that I would like to take them out of these and like hang them up on like pant hangers. If that's a thing, if you think that's a thing, let me know how you store yours. Do you keep them in the packages, or do you go ahead and pull them out of the package? I don't know. All right, so here's our next one. It came in a little bag, which is nice. And don't forget I got this from Temu, guys. So, oh, shiitake mushroom. Okay, so I have never used a double-sided adhesive. So, yep, and there's some diamonds. I'm going to put them right there. Some drills. Double-sided adhesive. Okay, so when we get ready to do this, it's going to be fun for both of us. All of us, huh? All right, so here's a picture right there. That's what it looks like. So one of my bathrooms is nautical themed, so this is where I got this. So that's gonna be kind of cool. Came with baggies and bougie on a budget, so that's gonna work. Put that over there. Okay, so like I said, there's like 3 dots. Oh, these are squares. Okay. Yay, raw, I guess. Yeah, something's open. So, looks like it's gray, whatever it is. So someone has a hole, or someone's opened. Don't know who. So they came pre-packed, so there's number 8. I'm not going to do anything but put these right back in there. And I'll figure it out when we get to it. So somebody's open. Oh, I wonder if it's this one. No, it's pretty close. So they have these little packages too. That's interesting. Alright, we're going to leave that alone. So here's a picture again. Looks pretty cool. Came with the packaging, and it came with instructions that we won't need. 39 colors on this, and the most looks like 7 packs of 4 14, which is a gray. Makes sense when you look at the picture. Probably a lot of the ocean at the bottom here probably has a lot of that in it. All right, so again, sticker sheet. Nice. Love it when they do that. So we'll put that there. We'll put this up actually because, you know, there you go. And, you know, we'll go back through these again when we get ready to do these. But yeah, see, double adhesive. I don't know. I've never fooled with it, so it's going to be interesting. We'll pull it down. There's your drill field. Looks good. And it's sticky. So from what I understand with double adhesive, we can use the what's these things I use? Release papers. So it won't be a bigger deal for me, but I think it's just kind of weird. Anyway, it only has one legend on the side. You see what I'm saying? It's like all crooked and icky. So we'll figure that out when we get to it. But let me know on, oh, let's measure it. What does it say? 40 by 50. Aha. This is why I like this one already. Check this out. If I can see, there you go. Canvas size 40 by 50. Drill size 34 by 44. Don't even have to measure it. Look at that. So cool. So wanted to, yeah, okay, I'll put that up there. So guys, tell me what you do with your canvases. It's kind of interesting to find out what y'all all like to do. Be very nice to know what you guys do. Oh Lord, I'm gonna just put these where these go, in my area that I put them in, but I like to kind of straighten that beforehand. So that being said, I just wanted to give y'all that little quick video on what I got from Temu. You know, like I said, I'm going to link Diamond Grandma below. I'll try to link the actual video that she did for that below as well. You know, I get what she's saying. And I will, you know, probably do a whip and chat this weekend. And, oh, I can't open this. And we will talk about the giveaway. We shouldn't call it a giveaway. We're going to call it the mail that I'm going to give you. I'm going to send out. So the mail that I'm going to send out to someone, and how to do that. And so the things that you need to do for that. And then we will talk about something. I don't know. We'll do some whip and chat this weekend. But until this weekend, again, y'all, be safe, be good, keep on diamond painting, and I will see you later on in the week.